So default parameters, that is the point of discussion today. So what are default parameters is, we are going to define a function. A function is defined like which is taking two parameters x and y, and I am calculating the result as 2 into x plus 3 into y. Then I am going to return the result. Now I am going to call the function 2 comma 3. So here what is happening, 2 will go to this x and the 3 will go to this y, and you will get the result here. 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 4 13. That r will be returned to this fx. Okay, so this is how normally the function will work. Now if I am giving the function definition like this, def fun x comma y is equal to 2, and the result is 2 into x plus 3 into y, and I am returning the result. Now I am calling the function f of x is equal to fun of only 2. What will happen? This 2 will go to this x, and there is no value to this y. So what will happen? Y will take this value 2. So here y is called a default parameter. Y is called a default parameter. Okay, so y will take value 2 if value is not supplied. If I was giving value like this, f of x is equal to fun of 2 comma 3. So in that case I am giving value for x and y. In that case x will take value 2 and y will take value 3. So 3 will be given to this y. Now the result will change. 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 3 into 3 9, and 4 plus 9 13 will be returned to this f of x. Okay, so that is called default parameter. And one more point here is, if I am defining the function here, def fun y is equal to 2 and x, this will give an confusion. What is the confusion? I am calling the function here r is equal to 2 into x plus 3 into y, and I am returning r. Now if I am calling fx is equal to fun of 2, here the confusion will come whether here y will get value of 2 and there is no value for x. Okay, so this is wrong. You cannot define a function like this. So all the default parameter should come after this positional parameter. This is called positional or required parameter, and this is called default parameter. So if you are having any default parameter, that should always come after the positional or required parameter. Okay, so if I am giving a definition like this, if un x y is equal to 2 z, this is also wrong, because